OK, thank you. Mr Allen, they're ready for you in surgery 5 now.
Pawb yn casau mynd i'r dentist ydi. Ond mae cefnogwyr y Barri de wrth I bodd efo'r deintydd yma.
Hi, Malcolm, how are you? Okay?
I'm a bit nervous, a bit scared, mate. Don't like dentists, like everyone else.
You'll be absolutely fine. You're in good hands. Have a seat for me. Still trying to talk.
Do you know what? Why are you a dentist? When did you pick a dentist?
Everyone asked me this question. I never really have an answer, no. It was just back in, the first time I remember, it was back in sort of school when we were sort of having a discussion in sort of, we were each like 14. You're starting to choose your sort of subjects for GCSEs and stuff like that.
Yeah. Did you have to put your hand up at the back of the class and all that? Say, dentist.
I think we did. I think we went around and everyone was like,
They did that with me and the fellow, the teacher said, what do you want to be, Mark? I said, a professional footballer. He's gone.
Well, that was obviously the dream, but that failed quickly.
Barri are in the top flight. So in your first season, how do you think you did?
I think we've done okay. I honestly think we've done very well so far. It's been sort of a bit of a strange season, sort of up and down. Get a couple of good results and then have a few sort of bad results or a bad run without sort of picking up a point, which was poor on our standards, I think. But we've had some good wins against some tough sides, some big sides. So, but I think overall, I think we're more than comfortable in the league. We just need to sort of get that consistency going and get a good run going.
You're at a club as well with the Barri, where you've got fantastic support.
Our fans are brilliant. We had good support last year, and they've always had good support when I haven't been with them and I've played against them. We go away to North Wales and they're bringing their drums and their trumpets and they're making a hell of a noise.
I don't know about your reputation, mate. But I was supposed to be a bit hard man, you know?
Yeah.
I've been screaming.
She's going downhill massively now.
What do you think will be a happy season for Chris Hugh and for Barri Town?
Obviously, first year back in the Premier League after so many years out of it, you've got to be realistic sometimes.
Yeah.
Get into the league, get comfortable.
And then push on again.
Yeah, and make yourself an accomplished side in the Premier League, and then sort of push on from there.
Start this season, I gave you man of the match against Aberystwyth, and now you'll never get it again after the pain you've put me through this evening. Thanks a lot, mate. And good luck.